The Ecosmart POU 3.5 is a point-of-use electric tankless water heater. Here are some specifications for the model you mentioned. Power. It has a power rating of 3.5 kilowatts, 3.5 kW, at 120 volts. This means it requires a 120-volt electrical supply to operate. Size. The dimensions of the unit are approximately 6 inches, height, x 11 inches, width, x 3 inches, depth. These compact dimensions make it suitable for installation in tight spaces where larger water heaters may not fit. Point of use. This water heater is designed for point-of-use applications, which means it is intended to provide hot water to a specific location or appliance, such as a single sink or shower. It is not intended to supply hot water to an entire household. Tankless. The Ecosmart POU 3.5 is a tankless water heater, which means it heats water on demand as it flows through the unit. Unlike traditional tank-based water heaters, it does not store and continuously heat a large volume of water. Electric. This water heater operates using electricity as its power source. It does not require a gas supply for operation. Please note that while this information is accurate based on the specifications of the Ecosmart POU 3.5 as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, there may have been updates or changes to the product since then. It's always a good idea to refer to the manufacturer's official documentation or contact them directly for the most up-to-date and accurate information.